grade 6. How are you today? Hope you are fine. Today we'll talk about Unit 3, Lesson 2, Geometric Transformation. The geometric transformation is three kinds. Reflection. Reflection, it means to find the image of the point around straight line so you can put them together. It's like the mirror. Rotation. Rotation, it means to move the figure in a certain with a certain angle to the left or to the right. So we rotate the figure. Translation, it means to flip the figure or to move it up or down, left or right. So we have to translate the figure to move it, and each line segment, it will be parallel to the opposite figure or the opposite image. What about the reflection? One of them, it will be on the left, the other one, it will be on the right. The rotation, it means to change the direction of the figure with a certain angle. Today we'll talk about the translation. So we have some problems about the translation. First, complete the following. Number 1, the image of point 2 and 1 by translation of magnitude length 3 units in the positive direction of x-axis. Magnitude, it means length. In the positive direction, it means I will make plus 3 to x-axis. Any point has x-axis and y-axis. So in this point, I have x-axis 2 and y-axis is 1. I will add 3 to 2. What about the y, which is the 1? I will keep it as it is. So 2 plus 3 equals 5, and the 1, I will keep it. The new point, it will be 5 and 1. Number 2, the image of point 5 and 0 by translation of magnitude 2 units in the negative direction of y-axis. In the negative direction of y-axis, it means 2, it will be with the negative, so negative 2. Y-axis, it means I will change the y only. What about the x? I will keep it as it is. So in the x-axis we have 5, in the y-axis we have 0. 5, I will keep it. What about the 0? I will add 0 plus negative 2. The answer 5 and negative 2. Number 3, the image of point negative 2 and the negative 3 by translation of magnitude 5 units in the negative direction of x-axis. It means I will add negative 5 to x-axis. The x-axis here is negative 2. So I will make negative 2 plus negative 5. What about the y? I will keep the y as it is. Negative 2 plus negative 5, it means negative 7. And the y, negative 3, I will keep it as it is. The new point is negative 7 and negative 3. Number 4, the image of point negative 2 and 6 by translation of magnitude 4 units in the positive direction of y-axis. I have here x-axis is negative 2, y-axis is 6. And he wanted the translation by adding positive 4 to y-axis. Negative 2, I will keep it as it is. But what about the y? I will make 6 plus 4 equals 10. And the x, negative 2. The new point is negative 2 and 10. Number 5, the image of the point 2 and 3 by translation x plus 3 and y minus 2. This time he didn't ask me about the magnitude, but he gives me the image of point 2 and 3 by translation x plus 3 y minus 2. This time he gives me the changing in x-axis and y-axis alone. So x-axis I will add 3 and y-axis I will subtract 2. In this point 2 I will make it plus 3. What about the y, which is 3? I will make it minus 2. 2 plus 3, 5, or 3 minus 2, 1. So the point 5 and 1. We can also use this rule. The rule is to get the image, I will make point plus translation. So in another way, point equal point plus translation equal the image, and if the missing is the point, I will make image minus translation. If the missing is the translation, I will make image minus point. Number 6. The image of point 5 and 2 by translation x minus 1 and y. Y, it means I will not touch the second number or the second coordinates. I will make 5 and 2, subtract 1 from the 5, so 5 minus 1 equals 4, and 2 I will keep it as it is, so 4 and 2. Number 7. The image of point negative 2 and 1 by translation x and y minus 1. The first point I will keep it as it is. The second one I will make it minus 1. So negative 2 plus 0. 0, it means I will not change the first coordinate. So negative 2, and 1 plus negative 1, it will be 0. Number 8. The image of point dots and dots by the translation 5 and 3 is 6 and 2. If you look here, we have the point in the missing, and I have the translation and the image. To get the point, I will make image minus translation. So 6 minus 5 equals 1, 2 minus 3 equals negative 1. The point, it will be 1 and negative 1. Number 9. The image of point negative 2 and negative 3 by translation dots and dots is negative 1 and 0. Negative 1 and 0 is the image, and the point negative 2 and the negative 3. The missing is the translation. To get the translation, I will make image minus point. So the image negative 1 and 0 minus the point, which is negative 2 and negative 3. It will be the translation negative 1 minus negative 2, minus means plus, it will be 1. 0 minus negative 3 minus means plus. 0 plus 3 equal 3. Part 2. In this part, we will plot the points on the coordinates, and also we get the image of each point. The first problem. Find the image of triangle ABC where A 1 and 1, B 6 and 5, C 7 and 1 by the translation x I will make it minus 1, y I will make it plus 3. So in this case, I will write the 3 points and get the image of each one of them. Let's see. The point A by translation negative 2 and 3, 1 plus negative 2, it will be negative 1, and 1 plus 3, it will be 4, and this point we call it A dash. The image of point B by the same translation, 6 minus 2 or 6 plus negative 2, it will be 4, 5 plus 3, it will be 8, and we call it B dash. C, which is 7 and 1, 7 minus 2, it will be 5, 1 plus 3, it will be 4, and this point we call it C dash. To represent these points, first I will represent A and B and C and join between them. Next, I will make A dash, B dash, C dash, and I will join between them. Let's see the figure. So, to represent A, I will stand at 1 horizontal, which is x-axis, and I will move up 1 point, so this is A. B, I will stand at 6, then I will move up to 5, and this is B. C, I will stand at 7, then I will move up one unit, it will be C, and I will join between them. A dash, I will stand at negative 1, then I will move up till 4, this is A dash. B dash, I will stand at 4, then I will move till 8. C dash, I will stand at 5, and I will move to 4 units. After that, I will join between them. Did you notice something? The triangle A dash, B dash, C dash is the image of the triangle ABC by moving up and to the left. Number 2. Find the image of the quadrilateral ABC D where A 2 and negative 2, B 4 and negative 2, C 5 and 1 d 1 and 1 by the translation negative 6 and 3. Let's see. First, I will get the image of each point. To get the image of point 2, I will make 2 plus negative 6, it will be negative 4. Negative 2 plus 3, it will be 1. So this point A dash. To get the image of B, 4 plus negative 6, it will be negative 2. Negative 2 plus 3, it will be 1. So the point B dash. C, 5 and 1. By the translation, negative 6 and 3, 5 plus negative 6 equals negative 1. 1 plus 3 equals 4, and this point C dash. D, to get D dash, I will make 1 plus negative 6, negative 5. 1 plus 4, 1 plus 3 equals 4, and this point is D dash. After I will get the images, I will represent the main points first, then the images. So A, I will stand at 2, then I will move down. Do you remember x-axis horizontal and y-axis vertical? So I will stand at 2, move 2 steps to down or 2 units. It will be A. To represent B, I will stand at 4, then I will move 2 points down. It will be B. C, I will stand at 5, then I will move up 1 point. It will be C. What about D? I will stand at 1 and I will move up 1 step or 1 point. It will be D. And I will join between them. What about A dash? I will stand at negative 4, then I will move 1, 2 up. To represent B dash, I will stand at negative 2 and I will move 1 step up. To represent C dash, I will stand at negative 1, then I will move up till 4. To represent D dash, I will stand at negative 5, then I will move up till 4. After that, I will join between A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. If you look at it, we move the figure up and a little bit to the left. So this is the translation. I didn't change the direction of the figure, or I just move it or slide it up. Thank you for listening. Till we meet again. Have a nice time.